Hello, beautiful soul family. Welcome back to Light Language with Nubia. This is Nubia. If you're new to my channel, welcome to our Light Language community. It is an honor to have you here, awakening your spiritual path. If you are an established member here, thank you for all your support. I truly do everything from my heart to assist you and enlighten you so you could awaken to who you are. Today I wanted to do a recording and see what comes through, so please find a comfortable space where you can relax your mind, body, and soul. Let's take a couple deep breaths in, inhaling golden energy. And exhaling all that no longer serves you. Inhaling golden light. And exhaling all that no longer serves you. Close your eyes and place your hand in your heart to establish your connection to your higher self and the higher realms. Karatia shiaka karia tira totorotia karetitia storototia kakaya riaritia ukuratia katish satiratitia. We invite our higher selves of the light to please merge through all dimensions of our field, all of our councils of light, all the angelic races, Archangel Michael, Archangel Raphael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Uriel, Archangel Sandalphon, Archangel Metatron. Please protect our sacred space in all directions, northeast, southwest, above and below, ensuring no low vibrational frequencies may enter this space as it is God, sovereign and free. Karatia sharia karetiria de dotoria de dotorishi diria de takaya idiria toto dodoshidia de tutira tutore de tutustodia de de toro ereditara igro tutorekati istoria de tutorie oriaria de adorostotia karetidia storgo toro igria karakatatia stotototia. Tara koko yaria shatiria de totoro toto shoria de tuturushia kaka yatiaria toro sia kakaria tiaria totoria shararia totoria tara toro ecostoria de turia tarekedia totoria storia kakaya daria. The message that we have today for humanity is to work on your spiritual self. The most important person there is, it's you. By you awakening to your full potential of who you really are, you automatically awaken many with you being your highest that you can be. Today we will be sending you light frequency codes to expand who you are, expanding the knowledge of who you are, awakening those gifts that are within you. As you have total control of who you are and abilities you have within you, only you are able to access them, as it is you who have been the master of them in multi-universes. Toro toro tia shia kari ari 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 do di ari do da so di di ari di do di ari di do di ari so di ari di ari do di ari do di ari so di ari ari do di da ari do di ari so di ari do kore di ari do di ari di ari kore di so kore di kore di do di shi kore di kore di do di ari shi kore di kore di da kore di shi kore di do di kore di di da 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 ya so di 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 do di di do di di do di di do di di da do shi kore di da do di da kare di do di shi kore di do di di ari re shi do do di ari re do do ya sha da ya re da kare ya di di ra she kare ka di di re do di di ra ra da da di do di she di da do di ra di do di ra. Allow the waves of the codes to go deep within your soul to unlock all that needs to be unlocked. Allow your body to feel what it wants to feel. Allow the crying to come out if it needs to be released. We need to get you in your highest path, and whatever it takes, allow the process to occur. Do not block it, as it blocks. If you block it, you will not proceed to the next level you need to be. Allow the electricity to be felt with every cell of your body. The sound frequency transforms every cell of your body as you listen to it. Allow the process to unfold before your eyes. Allow all the frequencies to be grounded with earth, to allow everything to fully uncode within your body. Take some deep breaths in. Feel the hotness of all the cellular codes being activated within you. The warmth that you are feeling is the activation with every cell of your body, transmuting, transferring, upgrading to the next level of you. You have been changed from the moment you heard this transmission to the moment you end this transmission. You're fully being placed in protective containers to allow the integration to fully process within the time that it needs to be processed for each individual being, as the process is not the same for everyone, as our making of our DNA is different and the processing time is different for each and every one of us. I hope this has helped you get to your highest spiritual path. I thank my higher self and all the light teams that have come and assist us. We love you, we honor you, and we respect you. This is Light Language with Nubia, and I'll see you next time for the next transmission.